Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter, and it is our last chapter also, training and doping in sports. In this chapter, we will cover so many points like meaning and concept of sports training, principles of sports training, warming up and limbering down, skill, technique and style, concept and classification of doping, prohibited substance and their side effects, dealing with alcohol and substance abuse. So we'll cover all these points in this chapter. Meaning and concept of sports training. Now, what is training? It means the process of preparation for some task. It is the process of preparation for some task. Sports training must be understood as a specialized process of all round physical strengthening aimed at the preparation of sports persons for performance in games and sports. Sports training is a systematic. It is a systematic and regular process. It is systematic, like first we have to do warm up, then we are playing, then after that we have to cool down. This is the systematic, and regular matlab we have to do regular practice for any game. It is a systematic and regular process which is generally used for a long duration. Sports training should be based on scientific fact. It based on scientific facts if we want to get good result in competitions. Definition of sports training. So many definitions in book, but I have mentioned two, three. According to Matthew, sports training is the basic form to preparation of sportsmen. According to Martin, sports training is a plan. It is a planned and controlled process. It is a planned and controlled process in which, for achieving a goal, changes in complex sports motor performance, ability to act, and behavior are made through measures of content. Methods are organization. According to Harry, sports training is based on scientific knowledge. It is based on scientific knowledge and pedagogical process of sports perf- perfection, which through systematic effect on psychophysical performance ability and performance readiness aims at leading a sportsman to level of performance. Now, principles of sports training. The principles of continuity, the principles of overload, the principle of individual differences, the principle of journal and specific preparation, the principles of progression, the principle of specificity, the principle of active involvement, the principle of variety, principles of warm up and cool down, the principle of rest and recovery, the principle of ensuring results, the principle of cyclicity. These all the principles of sports training. We will discuss all this point in next class.